there, my name is Matt Mathias from the Electoral Reform Society Cymru, ERS Cymru. Just having a quick film to tell you about our new project, Our Voices Heard. I'm here in a wet and rainy Fishguard. Leaving the house, we're going to Bedwas High School today. That's Bedwas near Caerphilly. Another day, another beautiful part of Wales, another school to talk to. And now we're here in Old Colwyn in Cornwall to speak to Ysgol Brynelion. Today, we're in Newtown, in Mid Wales, in Powys. We're in Swansea, in Bishop Gore School today.
Hi, I'm Eve. I'm Polly. No, I'm Sam.
I'm Joe.
Sam. I'm Elijah.
And I'm Anne.
Andrew.
Louise.
Casey.
Lewis.
Nicole. Casey.
Hello, Welsh Government. I'm Mary. Hello, my name is Reeve. I'm 14. It's my birthday.
Hi, my name is Reese. I'm 13 and it's not my birthday.
My name is Caitlin and I'm 13.
And these are recommendations for you to take on and hopefully consider.
Our idea is we need to be taught more life skills.
And understand what the parties stand for and how it affects their lives, and politicians can sort of come in and talk to us in school then.
In-depth lessons on political movement at the moment rather than out-of-date stuff. And also lessons on how voting works and explanations on how vote impacts politics. Okay, start again.
Go on then.
No, because I thought you were going to ask the question.
Right.
Yeah, I think you're going to.
Not because of that.
Our voice is heard.
Our voice is heard.